In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a text portrait effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to Select and choose Subject to automatically select the subject. Again, go to Select. This time choose Select and Mask. Enable Decontaminate Colors. Then set the output to option as New Layer with Layer Mask. And click OK. Rename this layer as Subject. Create a solid color layer. And choose black as the color. Then click OK. Drag the solid color layer below the subject layer. Select the top layer and add a black and white adjustment layer. Now add a brightness contrast adjustment layer. Set contrast to 100. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E together to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Right-click the merged layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set radius to 10 pixels and click OK. Now go to File and choose Save a Copy. Name it Displacement Map. Set the type to Photoshop and click Save. Hide the blurred layer. Select the text tool. Drag and draw a text box covering the entire canvas. Open the text file. You can use any text you like. Select all the text. Copy. And paste the text inside the text box. Select all the text and set text size to 22. This is the font and its style I'm using for this tutorial. Select all the text again, then set leading to 16. Copy and paste the text again as needed to fill any empty areas of your subject with text. Right-click the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Distort and choose Displace. Set horizontal and vertical scale to 15. Then click OK. Select and open the displacement map file you saved earlier. Drag the text layer below the subject layer. Right-click the subject layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Double-click the layer mask on the subject layer and reduce the density to 0%. Finally, select the brightness contrast layer and increase brightness to 30. And that's it! You've successfully created a text portrait effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It really supports the channel.